To use the Moomoo Stock Screener, start by logging into your Moomoo account and navigating to the Stock Screener tool. This is typically found under the Research or Trading tab. Once you have accessed the Stock Screener, you will see a variety of filters and criteria that you can use to narrow down your search for stocks. First, consider what type of stocks you are looking for. Are you interested in large cap, mid cap, or small cap stocks? You can select the market cap filter to choose the size of the companies you want to consider. You can also filter by sector or industry if you have a specific area of interest. Next, think about the financial performance of the stocks you want to consider. You can use filters such as price to earnings ratio, dividend yield, and return on equity to find stocks that meet your criteria. For example, if you are looking for stocks with a high dividend yield, you can set the dividend yield filter to show only stocks with a yield above a certain percentage. In addition to financial performance, you may also want to consider technical indicators such as moving averages and relative strength index. These can help you identify stocks that are trending upward or showing signs of momentum. Once you have selected your filters, click the Apply button to run the screen. The Stock Screener will then display a list of stocks that meet your criteria. You can further refine your search by sorting the results by various metrics such as market cap, price, or dividend yield. It is also important to keep in mind that no stock screener is perfect and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. The Moomoo Stock Screener is a powerful tool that can help you identify potential investment opportunities, but it is just one part of a comprehensive investment strategy. By following these steps and using the Moomoo Stock Screener effectively, you can quickly and easily find stocks that meet your investment criteria and help you achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay informed, stay disciplined, and always prioritize your investment objectives.